Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Verify your GPU model and RAM so Photoshop can use it. Once done, close Photoshop and open Device Manager or System Information to note the driver version. You then download and save the latest driver from the GPU vendor. Use WHQL or Studio Builds for stability. Make sure to choose the correct OS bitness. Install the driver with a clean install option if offered. This prevents leftover driver conflicts and prepares the system for Photoshop's GPU features. You reopen Photoshop and immediately go to Preferences, Performance, and Check Use Graphics Processor. That activates GPU access. Once done, click Advanced Settings and pick Basic, Normal, or Advanced depending on stability versus performance. Advanced unlocks more features but can be less stable. Make sure OpenCL, Metal, or DirectX settings match your OS and GPU. Enable 2D/3D drawing acceleration if present. These choices change how Photoshop offloads tasks, improving speed while balancing artifacts or instability. You finish by restarting Photoshop and running GPU-dependent operations, filters, neural filters, smooth zoom, and pan, to confirm acceleration. If you see crashes or visual corruption, reset preferences using the keyboard shortcut or launch Photoshop Safe Mode for diagnostics and extension checks. Make sure to test with a new document to isolate file-specific problems. If problems began after a driver update, roll back to the last known good GPU driver. This single step often restores stability without further change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.